The human body is a remarkable single structure composed of billions of smaller structures organized into four major hierarchical levels. These levels progress from the microscopic to the macroscopic, starting with cells, which form tissues, which then create organs, and finally combine into complete systems. This organizational hierarchy allows for the incredible complexity and functionality of the human body. Human anatomy and physiology, often abbreviated as HAP, represents the comprehensive study of the human body. This field examines both the structure of individual body parts, which is anatomy, and how these parts function together, which is physiology. Essentially, HAP provides the foundation for understanding how our bodies are built and how they work. Anatomy, the study of body structure, is divided into several specialized subdivisions. These include cell biology or cytology, which examines cellular structure, histology, focusing on tissue structure, gross anatomy for structures visible to the naked eye, microscopic anatomy for very small structures, systemic anatomy for specific body systems, radiographic anatomy using X-rays, and pathological anatomy studying structural changes associated with disease. Let's examine these anatomical subdivisions in detail. Cell biology or cytology studies the structure and function of individual cells. Histology examines how cells organize into tissues. Gross anatomy deals with structures visible without magnification, while microscopic anatomy requires magnification to study small structures. Systemic anatomy focuses on specific body systems like the circulatory or nervous system. Radiographic anatomy uses imaging technologies like X-rays, and pathological anatomy investigates structural changes caused by disease. In summary, the human body represents an incredible hierarchy from cells to complete systems. Human anatomy and physiology provides the framework for understanding this complexity through the complementary studies of structure and function. The various anatomical subdivisions allow specialists to focus on specific aspects of bodily organization, from microscopic cellular details to macroscopic system interactions, providing comprehensive insight into human biological organization.